I'm in the middle of making rhubarb, apple and ginger jam. Now I use fresh ginger for that, so that means that it has to be peeled and then grated. So what we've got left over are the peel. Now ordinarily we just put it onto the compost heap, but I reckon there's another use that we can get out of the peel before it does actually end up in the compost, and that is to make ginger tea. So peel into the pan and cover it over with water, and then that goes onto the cooker. It's now come up to the boil, so I'm going to leave it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, this is the jam I'm making, so lots of rhubarb that we've got at the moment, and it makes an excellent jam when you add apple and ginger. Ginger gives it a real good kick. So, suitably strained. Oh, wow, that's much stronger than I expected. I'll tell you what will go nice with this, and this is, this has got a really good kick to it, but a little bit of honey, I think, in here. And we've still got some of our honey that we got off our hives last year, so I might add a bit of this, bit into this, but otherwise. Oh, that's pretty good.